Hi, today we're making low-calorie, healthy banana bread. Start by buttering your loaf pan. Make sure to get all the spots because our banana bread will rise. Next, add your baking soda and salt to your flour. Whisk well. Now I'm going to explain the calorie situation. In this recipe, avocado is our substitute for butter. Avocado is much more healthier and is less than half of a stick of butter's calories. Next to your avocados, add your brown sugar. If you worry about brown sugar's calories, you can definitely cut this. Mix well. After you mix with a spoon, don't forget to use a hand mixer or stand mixer and mix that well together. Next, in a bowl, add in 2 eggs and then beat them together. Add your eggs into your avocado mixture. And then give that a nice mix too. Next, grab 4 bananas and then add that into a bowl. I'm only showing you how to mash one. Basically, you're going to take your fork and then mash each individual piece until it reaches that consistency, and add that all into your avocado mixture. Mix that well. Next, take your flour mixture from the beginning of the video and then add in all the avocado and banana. Add in not too much at a time. And then after you mix that well, add in the rest of your avocado mixture. In the buttered loaf pan, add in the final product mixture. And then smooth out the top. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. And here's the final product. It's super moist and soft, and it tastes absolutely delicious, and it's low calorie and healthy. Bye, thanks for watching.